Now, as soon as you identify yourself, I'll be glad to tell you what that traffic violation is. But
what
until you until you tell me ID yourself,
I don't get that, man. That don't make any sense. And all I'm doing is in the community trying to uplift the community.
Okay.
So why would that?
I have no issues. You tell me who you are. I will be glad to tell you why I stopped you, why I pulled you over. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that until I ID you and find out who you are. You may be a murderer or somebody out of another county.
The 14th Amendment doesn't matter. My rights doesn't matter. None of that. So we still doing this in 2023? Are you serious?
14th Amendment
because that's what I write books about. That's what I write books about. So I can attach this to it.
And you can attach this to it all you want.
So I have to tell you who my name is, or you won't tell me the traffic violation.
Exactly. You have to identify yourself when I am investigating a traffic stop.
Am I under arrest?
You have to identify yourself on a traffic stop to me, to the law enforcement officer.
If that's the case, I'm an oath keeper, and I hope you are too. Yeah.
No, I'm not an oath keeper, and I'm not reading no oaths to you or your oaths or my oath or anything like that. What I can tell you, again, is that I'm Officer Mathis with the Texarkana, Arkansas Police Department, and I need to see your identification, your driver's license, your ID, your registration, and insurance on the vehicle. And then I will be glad to tell you why I pulled you over. But until you ID yourself to me, then I'm not going to. All you have to do is identify yourself to me. And then I'll be glad to tell you why I pulled you over. I will get you out of here. You could probably already be out of here.
I can be out of here right now.
If you know.
Because I know my rights. I know my rights.
No.
I know my rights.
You are on a traffic stop, and I am pulling you over.
You shouldn't even have your lights on if it's not an emergency. And it's not an emergency because you're not telling me what you're pulling me over for.
So do you have no idea about any traffic stop laws or anything like that? So if
yes,
I need to pull you over,
I know I cut my signal light on every time that I turn.
How am I supposed to pull you over then if I don't use my lights? Last time, I need to see your identification.
You know what? I got you.
This gentleman is failing to identify himself.
I'm asking him, why did he pull me over for no reason?
Are
you the one? You the one? Okay. You remember me? I'm the one write books. Now, see, he's a good officer right here.
Okay.
He's a good officer. I know him. I'll give him. Can I give you my ID, sir?
Give your ID to me.
Just get it out.
What in the world?
We'll take it. Okay. It's his stop. He's the one that's got to take what infraction he saw you break. Okay. But he had a reason to stop him. And by law, he's allowed to do that.
Okay, what's your RAS? You didn't give me your RAS.
On to the service road right there. You signaled. You did not signal, however, 200 feet before you made the turn.
So this is what we're. This is what the tax dollars are going to.
Tax dollars out here for us to make traffic stops, to serve, to help the public.
And you said you're not an oath keeper, and so how are you even working for the police department?
I have no idea what you're talking about as far as an oath keeper.
Well, you need to read the 14th Amendment, sir.
Okay. Well, you can do whatever you want to do, okay? But I still need to see your registration and insurance on your car.
So you no license.
I said driver's license, registration, and insurance, and then you started in with what you.
Oh yeah, because I know I don't even have to have it, but I got it though for people like you.
Right, for people like me. Well,
yes,
this
sir.
person needs to see it.
That's not good, is it?
No.
How long has it been doing that?
It hasn't.
That's the first time it's happened?
Yep.
Uh-oh. How's the book thing?
Oh man, it's going good. I got them all right here.
That's awesome.
Yep, and he just helped me write another one.
Good. I'm glad I could.
I'm glad you could too. I see you very, very cocky, man. We're all human beings, man. Here you go. I want to hand it to him.
Well, that's fine. He's going to hand it to me.
It don't matter. I want to hand it to him. I respect him.
Anyway.
Yeah, we've done that. Yeah, he and I have talked before.
Oh, Chick Fools on a black man. It's going to be David.
Oh man, huh? Man, I'm doing all right, man. And then the sad part about it, man, like I told him, that's my right. That's my constitutional right. I can travel as long as I'm not causing any harm, driving reckless, or killing anyone. I don't have to have a freaking driver's license. I don't have to have registrations. I don't have to have any insurance. I know this, and I'm gonna make sure I put it out to the community. This is wrong. You're stopping me and holding up these officers from stopping murders from being committed and dangerous crimes because of a freaking signal light. That's against the law of the United States to even use your lights if it's not a freaking emergency. You need to study.
Most of my warrants and murderers and people that I won't come from traffic stops just like this.
Oh, okay. But that doesn't have anything to do with me. Could I go now? I'm not under arrest.
No,
Can I go? If I'm under arrest, read me my rights right now.
You're not under arrest.
Okay, well that means I'm free to go.
No, you are not.
So when you're pulled over by law, it's a lawful seizure, which means at this point we can detain you until he's done with his traffic stop. Okay. After the traffic stop is over, he releases you and the seizure's over. Okay. Assuming that nothing else comes of it. Does that make sense? Do what?
Right now.
Explosive disorderly conduct.
Okay, well why did you break my phone? My phone is broken.
I didn't touch it.
You broke my phone. It was in your pocket. You broke my phone. Y'all have a good day.
You can leave.
Yep, I'll see you in court, buddy.
Okay.
I'll see you in court. Y'all just bought me a new car. You just bought me a new car and a new house. I promise you that. My father, Yahweh, gonna punish you. Yahweh. Hey, he got you. He listening. Okay. He's within you. He's inside of you. He got you. Yes, he is. You violated my constitutional rights. You told me the amendments does not matter. You arrested the wrong person. I can understand making a mistake and then apologizing for it, but you guys didn't even freaking apologize. Thankfully for the young officer that's on the video at the end, he's saying all of the warrants that we arrested this guy for, we arrested the wrong guy. You guys cracked my phone, my finger, violated my constitutional rights, didn't have not one care at all about my amendments, and you think I should let it go? No. On top of sitting beside of where I'm staying, applying pressure. No, it doesn't work like that. This is 2023. I can't even believe that you would even feel comfortable with even pulling off some mess like this. But it's all good. We're going to follow proper procedures, but we will not let it go. Officers, horrible. Very horrible. Not one, I apologize, we made a mistake. No, nothing. Just Negro go. Be happy that you're being released. No, it does not work like that. 2023. Time to step up. Everyone, please get my book, Learn the Laws and Your Rights. Please, for me.